Welcome, everyone. I have the pleasure today to be with Ronna Schneberger and Dr. Susan Abookire, who are going to be facilitating a special Nature as Medicine Practitioner training. And I'm going to let both of them introduce themselves. And yeah, over to you, Ronna. Who are you?
Thanks, Manuela. Hi, my name is Ronna, as she indicated, and I work as a long-time naturalist, hiking guide, and forest therapy guide here in Banff National Park. And I did my training with the ANFT in 2016, and so I'm now a trainer with the ANFT. And I actually met Dr. Abookire, I think it was 2018 in California. I was her trainer, and I just had the pleasure of working and mentoring her as she was learning how to bring this body of work into curriculums, which was just so cool. And then she was helping me as we went along, or she suggested that we actually make a training specifically for healthcare practitioners and professionals. And so she had a chance to help me and us as we were trying to figure out, how do we individualize this? How do we specifically make this applicable to healthcare practitioners? And in that time also, we were going through COVID shortly after that. And I had a chance to help the Park Prescription Program here in Canada launch. And I did most of their I offered free distant walks to exhausted doctors, nurses, psychiatrists, psychologists. And yeah, she was very helpful in giving me pointers as to how to keep moving forward with that. So I just really have I have a soft spot for healthcare practitioners and professionals. It's not easy right now, and I'm just really concerned about their health and wellness, and that's why I wanted to assist her with this whole program. It's yeah, I want to see everyone succeed, and whatever I can offer, I'm going to support in that way.
Great. Thank you so much, Ronna. And Susan, do you want to share a little bit about yourself? And yeah.
Sure. Thank you, Manuela and Ronna. So again, my name is Dr. Susan Abookire. I'm a physician here in Boston, Massachusetts. I'm an assistant professor at Harvard Medical School. Briefly, my background, I had over 22 years of experience as a physician healthcare executive and leadership roles, and always was trying to make healthcare better and improve the systems of healthcare, as well as I'm an internist by my clinical training. And then in 2018 and 2019, I entered into the training program to become certified as a forest therapy guide. Was very fortunate to meet Ronna there, and she was actually my mentor in my training. And I knew that I wanted to somehow bring in nature into healthcare. I didn't know initially why or how, but a combination of the sort of deep connection we have to nature and the profound health benefits of nature, both to us as providers as well as to patients. I knew somehow I really wanted to bring that in. And also all of the lessons that we can learn from nature as we design healthy, beautiful systems and try to have healthcare operate in a healthy way. So I became certified in 2020, just at the beginning of COVID. And I started by guiding residents and other faculty in forest bathing. In forest therapy, I was a guide, and I had multiple years of experience guiding physicians and other healthcare providers, and really being a witness to their experience being out in nature, which was so profound. And again, kind of on this journey of bringing nature into healthcare. I've been on this journey now for several years. And as Ronna said, I've been developing curricula that incorporate nature into what I teach physicians, and on this journey ultimately to bring nature as medicine into practice.
Thank you. And I'm like really curious, and I know a lot of people are also curious about, why do you think it's so important to bring this specialized training to healthcare professionals? Why did you see that need for this specific training?
I I will say there are like two major reasons. The one of them is that the health benefits of nature, our connection and our partnership with nature, heal us in so many ways that are so deep and so broad. And that this really is part of my mission, is to bring that ultimately into providers' lives in a way that they can offer it to patients, to bring it into healthcare. The health benefits range from the physical health benefits, the emotional, mental health benefits, and even cognitive. And of course, for many people, the health benefits go to that how time in nature gives so many of us spiritual solace and inspiration, which is really so much part of what we need in this world today. And so one of the reasons I felt so strongly about creating a special program for healthcare providers was really to bring in the science of the health benefits of nature into the skill set of licensed healthcare professionals, so that they in turn could not only derive the benefits themselves in their personal lives, but also offer it to patients. And as far as the second reason, when I would talk to people, maybe I would give a presentation about some of the work I was doing using forest therapy with my residents. People across the range of healthcare professionals would ask me how they could incorporate it into their practice, and it would range from psychiatry to addiction medicine to palliative care, all across the board. People were really eager to find ways to incorporate the practice of nature as medicine into their practice. And I became aware that people who are licensed as healthcare professionals have already a certain skill set. They're licensed in healthcare professionals. They have a skill set that they would bring to this practice that is very unique. And my intent with this particular training was to leverage their skills and their knowledge and their experience as licensed healthcare providers, and show them ways to guide participants in forest bathing, but also to really find out how to incorporate nature as medicine into their clinical practice and advance this whole area of nature as medicine into the field of healthcare across the world.
Great. Thank you so much. And I know the training starts in May 2025, the first edition. So after this video, you will find a link to the page to register. And well, from my side as representing ANFT, we are super excited about this collaboration with you. And I know you and Ronna will make a fabulous team to bring this training to healthcare providers, professionals. And yeah, it's really exciting. I also really like how you are focusing on the more holistic approach, way beyond just the physical and mental benefits, which is like what we are. We are holistic beings. So I think it's going to be an amazing training, and I can't wait to see the results. So thank you so much to both of you. And yeah.
Thank you both.
All right. Thank you.